Hello, Chris Richter here. We're going to have a bit of a look at Moodle quizzes. In this case, the question that somebody asked is, how do I do a yes-no answer instead of true-false? Can I make a true-false question into a yes-no question? Technically, no. If you go add new question and you choose true-false, you only have the options of true-false. You can't change that to anything else. So there's two different ways that you can go about solving this problem and making it a yes-no question instead. Quite simply, we can go add new question, choose multiple choice, add, and we can have a yes-no question. Answer the following question, and the yes will be the correct answer. Then we can go down to one answer only. We don't need to shuffle choices. We can just say yes, make it 100%, and no as our second answer. Select Save Changes, and we now have a yes-no question. And what does it look like? It just looks like this. Answer the following question. The correct answer is yes. So that's all we need to do, and it will work. As opposed to the true-false, where answer the following question, select one, true or false. That's one way to do it. There is another way though. You can go add new question. This time go down to select missing word and select add. This will be a yes-no question. And then we'll do the same thing again. Answer yes or no. And yes will be our correct answer. We go down to our choices and we say yes and no as the two options. Choice number one is yes. And then in our question here, all we have to do is put in our 1 symbol for them to choose the answer yes or no. Let's go down to Save Changes and Preview. And you can see now answer yes or no, and they can choose yes or no from the drop-down list. Now, it's not a tick box like it was in the other one, but it still gives you the option of yes or no as being the options for your answer. So that's another way of being able to do that and change a true-false question into a yes-no type question. Hope you found that useful. It's quite simple. There's lots of other cool things you can do in the quizzes and the way you put quizzes together, including drag and drop images, drag and drop text as well. There's all sorts of other ways of being able to manage those questions and make them more interesting. Calculator multi-choice, all those types of things. But select the missing word is one that you'll probably find really, really useful. And there's a couple of cool things about that I think are worth looking at some stage. So let me know if you're interested in that, and I'll show you how to do that. But hopefully you now know the quite simple answer to how to change a true-false question into a yes-no question in a Moodle quiz. My name is Chris Richter. Check out the courses below in the comments, and I'll talk to you again very soon.